Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now in this lecture, I would like to explain another topic which is related to the fillet command. See here, there will be three options available. One will be the fillet, another will be the chamfer, another will be the blend curves. So from these drop down menu, there will be three options available: fillet, chamfer and blend curves. I will try to explain these three in this lecture. So see here, so I will draw the rectangle here. So I want multiple rectangles. Just I will highlight this one. So I will copy this one and I will paste based on the base point. So I just keep ortho on. It will be appear in the straight line only. Okay. So I will close this one. So I want to do the fillet. What is the fillet means? Just to see how it works. So once I select the fillet command here from here. So select first object or so I will go to the I will click the right click on the mouse. So there will be so many options available. Here I will take just a radius. Okay. So how much radius you want you take? I will take some 0.5 for the first purpose and I will click enter. Then I will select this object, first object, and again second object. See here how fillet will works here. I will give just 0.5 radius, and again if I click here means entire box will be selected. So automatically we come out of that command, means that particular command only works for the first time. Okay, if you want multiple times, what you will do, again you can select this one and again right click here, you can select polyline. Okay, then see here how the polyline will be works, means entire completely the rectangular will be converted in terms of the radius to the fillet. Okay, and again select this one, right click, see multiple option how it works, means first time we will give the first object, second object. See again you are the same command, means directly you will get the command will be continuous here. Polyline means entire shape will be converted at a time to the fillet. See, we are in the same command. So like this multiple command will works. And again, go to the fillet command. Here you can observe one more option, which is trim. So already we learn polyline, radius, trim multiple, pawn, zoom, and we know all these things. Enter, reset, input, and we will see the multiple trim command. How trim command will works. Okay. So if you click this trim command, and there will be trim option, and if you want no trim, you just means here once we keep the radius means the rectangular shape will be converted into the arc here. Okay, so here you are choosing the rectangular shape will be like that only, and we want that arc here. So just to choose the no trim option and again right click. If you click only one time means you will get only. So again they are asking fillet radius. This time I will give some minimum 0.3 only. So then select the first object and second object. See here the rectangular shape will be like that only, and again the remaining shape will be like this. The arc will be converted to the rectangle here through the fillet option. So again if you want some multiple option, you can select right click multiple and you can see how it will work. If you select polyline means entire rectangular will be converted here. See how this is like your mobile phone, this is the mobile, and this is like some gorilla glass, how it will be appears. So this is how the fillet command will be works. So I explained everything clearly one by one how the fillet command will be works here. Okay, and now we will move to the next option, which is the chamfer. So for that one, again I will select all, control A, and again delete option. Again I will take the rectangle. I will show how this one. So if I want to go through multiple option means click control C for copy, control V for paste. So click ortho, take from the baseline. Okay. Similarly, select control C, control V, somewhere you can select. Again, I want to go for the chamfer option, chamfer. So go click here chamfer. Okay, see here again the same things works here. Just right click with the mouse. There will be so many options available. Their radius will be available in the fillet. Here distance will be available. So first select first chamfer distance, means there will be two lines, one will be this one, another will be this one. So this first distance I will select anything I want, like some one. Okay, and again enter, and again they are asking second chamfer distance, means this one. I will select some 0.5, enter. So then select the first line and select the second line. See here how this chamfer works. So actually this rectangular will be converted directly to the chamfer, but here the rectangular will be like that only, and this chamfer command will be working. Why means already in the fillet I explained very clearly what is that one. See here, if you select this one, right click, you can go to the trim option, then select the first one, select the second one. See here that rectangular option will be trim off and the chamfer will be works. If you keep that one as it is, means you can use the trim option. Similarly here also, like in the fillet, you can select fillet, right click, and again if you want polyline, you can select polyline. So here the distance will be somewhat different. If I keep the distance, again distance will be, I will reduce to some 0.3, enter, 0.3, enter, polyline. See here, 4 tribes. Here the selected distance will be somewhat higher than this length. That's why it won't work previously. Now I'll keep the distance of 0.3. It works as it is accurately. Okay. In the similar way, if there will be any options, it will be just like similar to the previous fillet option only. You just go through the option like multiple trim. Angle also works in the same way how radius will work. Just if you want, you can see angle. So select first chamfer length of 1, enter, and the angle of some 45 as it is, enter. See here it works with the angle of 1 meter with 1 unit with 45 angle. Similarly, you can choose the next option, which is the blend curves. So I will explain that also. So I will take some two lines to show the difference, some different ways. Just see the difference how it works. For example, if I select the blend curves option, I will select first object and then second object, how the curve will be worked in the two different positions. Similarly, if I select this one, see here how it works in the similar way. Okay, similarly I select somewhere first object, somewhere second object, how it works. So like that the bend curves works in the different ways, which will connect the two lines with some specific curve. I hope this lecture will be very useful for you people to learn from the basics like fillet, chamfer and blend curves.